There's a Mitsubishi electric Mr. Slim right there that's running. Very quiet. And around the corner here we have something I've never seen in person. It is an EverRest by Goodman air conditioner. It was running about 10-15 minutes ago, but it's not running now. Broad ocean motor, I would assume. Especially with that rustic condition. This is a heat pump. Thought this was a straight cool because the owner of the house mentioned something about a furnace, and yeah, I thought this was a straight cool, but I guess this is a heat pump. There's a reversing valve down there. This is a 3.5 ton from 2010, and it's a 14 SEER. Aside from all the dirt at the base pan, I think this is actually in better condition than the 2020 Comfortmaker gas pack at the cottage. And I think that's a gas line right there. So if there's a furnace in this house, and this is probably a dual fuel system. There's the lines there right there. It's got a Midwest disconnect box, a little bit distant from the unit for whatever reason. And over there is an American Standard Silver Series heat pump. This is out in the middle of nowhere, like I said before, so I imagine it's not all that easy to run gas lines out here. Now, there's this pad right there. Dryer vent. There's a lake down there. Very beautiful scenery. And here's a daytime view of the Comfortmaker gas pack. Not sure what this replaced. And when this unit runs, the blades do not spin fast, so I would imagine the RPM is about 800. Guess I'll wrap up this video and I'll see you on the next one.